Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the revision part 4, physical education classes, and the topic is the same, or unit is the same, planning in sports, the first units. So the today's topic is the tournament. So today we are going to discuss the detail about the tournament. So first of all, you can see in this slide, next slide, tournament, knockout tournament and league and combination tournament. So first of all, we should know what is called tournament. Tournament is the series of sports in which a team finally wins and the rest of the team lose the matches are called tournament. It is very simple words. The winning team will continue in the tournament and the loser will be eliminated from the tournaments. So today we are going to discuss about the details about the tournament and the types of tournament. So in the next slides you can see the tournament, knockout tournament, league and combination tournament. So first of all, we should know types of tournament. There is a 4 types of tournament to be conducted in a national level, or we can say the tournament is a 4 types. The first one is knockout tournament, second one is league or round robin tournament, third one is combination tournament, and fourth one is challenge tournament. So now we will discuss the detail about the first one, knockout tournament. What are the advantages and what is called knockout tournament? Knockout tournament. So first of all, we should know what is called the knockout tournament. So in the simple words, it says the team once is defeated is eliminated. Means the team, those who are going to lose the match, they are eliminated from the competitions and the tournament. That means the loser is not allowed to continue to play in the tournament. This is the main advantage of the knockout tournament. Now the point number 2, the winning team continue to play in the tournament. As we know, in the knockout tournament, the team gets only one chance to perform their ability in the match. Suppose that they lose the match, they are eliminated from the tournament in the knockout tournament systems. So generally in the knockout tournament, what happens, sometimes strong teams are eliminated in the beginning of the tournament, or the strong teams can be a winner of the tournament, or winning team continue to play in the tournament. Now we will talk about the advantage and disadvantage of the knockout tournament. You can see the first point, less expenses. In such types of tournament systems, knockout tournament, the cost of the tournament or competition will be very less, because in a very short duration the matches are going to be completed. In such case the duration of the matches will be more, but the number of the days will be less. So the total expense of the tournament will be very less, because if the players are going to play 4, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days in the tournament, for their expenses will be more, because in the tournaments the host teams provides all the facilities to the players and the teams. So if they will lose the match, they will be eliminated from the tournament and the cost of the tournament will be very less. The second point, the enhance the standard of sports. As we know, in the knockout tournament, the strong teams can only play till the final, because the strong teams are going to play and win the match, and the weak teams eliminated from the tournaments. In such types of tournaments will enhance the performance of the players. The level of standard and the level of the players will be very high. So in such types of tournament, knockout tournament, we can enhance the standard of the players, because in such types of tournament the players and the teams, they know if they will lose the match, they'll be eliminated from the tournament. Because of that, they will do the practice hard to win the match. In that conditions, the enhancement of the performance of the one players will be more compared to the other one. Less time to complete the tournament. As we know, the knockout tournament, if you are going to conduct, the number of the matches will be very less, because in a one match, if they are defeated or they are losing the match, they are eliminated from the tournament. In that condition, the officials and the coaches or technical officials can organize or conduct the match in a very short period or very less time to be complete the tournament. In the league tournament, sometimes it takes 3 days, 4 days to complete the whole tournament. But in the knockout tournaments, we can conduct in a day, or maybe we can conduct in a 2 days to complete the tournament. Now next point is minimum number of the officials. As we know, if the number of the matches are less, the number of the official is also less, or we can able to manage in one court or one stadium. So if there is a league tournament, the venue will be different because number of the matches are more. In the knockout tournament, the number of the matches are less, so the officials can manage very easily, or the number of the days will be very less, and the officials are also very less to conduct the tournament. These are the advantage of the knockout tournament. As well as we are having some disadvantage of the knockout tournament. You can see the long duration of the tournament or matches. The first point is long duration of the tournament. So as we know, the standard of the team is very high, so the matches take longer duration to complete. If both the teams are very strong, they can play the full time of each match, so it takes the long time to complete the match. The duration of the matches, it will be very long. Now next point, the chances of eliminations are more. As we know, the strong teams, if they will play in the first round together, the one good team will be eliminated in a first round. So the chances of the good teams are eliminated in the beginning of the tournament, or chances of the elimination of the team is more. Now next point, spectators loses interest in the final match. As we know, in the knockout tournaments, if the good teams loses in the first round, what happened in the final match, the spectators are losing their interest to see the matches, so they left in between and they cannot continue to seeing the match. This is the main disadvantage of the knockout tournament. The spectators are losing the interest because sometimes the good teams cannot reach in the final match, or they are eliminated in the first round of the tournament. So in the final, sometime it happens the final match will be one-sided. In that condition, spectators, they lose the interest to see the match. This is the disadvantage of the knockout tournament. So these are the advantage and disadvantage of the knockout tournament. As same way, we are going to discuss about the league tournament. and the different types of the system to fixing the bye, seeding, the and necessary things to complete the match or methods to complete the match. In the knockout tournament, always remember the winning teams continue to play in the tournament. The main key of the knockout tournament is to winning team continue to play in the tournament, and the team once defeated is eliminated. The team who lost the match, they are eliminated from the tournament. So always you remember the knockout tournament, the winner or strong team will be a champion of the tournament in knockout. So winning team continue with the playing the match till final. Okay, thank you.